Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have seen how to obtain the table of contents automatically from the Word document, and I'm just opening that document one more time. See here the table of contents we have acquired for the document that we have created earlier. So in this video we will see how to update the page numbers and also how to fetch list of figures and list of tables from the document. As of now in this document no figures are there, but from the beginning, like we will insert some figures and we will try to acquire the figure list of figures and list of tables and corresponding page numbers, and we will also do how to update the page numbers in case if we add figures or tables during the course of editing the document. And first we will see how to update the page numbers for this table of contents. In sometimes it is required that this acknowledgement, abstract, list of figures, everything, the number should be in terms of Roman letters, and after that the chapter should be start with the regular numbering 1 2 3. So we will do that. Yesterday we have seen that how to create the sections. So whatever it is there, like this acknowledgement, abstract, list of tables, everything is there in section 1. And if we go to chapter 1, if you place cursor anywhere in the text, you can find it is in some other section. Maybe here it is showing section 3. So again we will go here in order to insert the page numbers. Actually page numbers are already inserted, but we will change that format. So in order to do that, double click on the footer section and then go to insert page number, and you just select bottom of the page and selecting in the middle, just insert that one, and after that select that page number, and in the design pane if you go there you can find page number. In that format page numbers and select the number format to this Roman letters 1 2 3, and it should start from 1. That's all you have to do. Just then okay. So you can see now the numbering has changed to Roman letters. Table of contents, if you go to chapter, again it starts from normal numbering because sections are different, and if you want to start this numbering should be start from 1, then what you have to do, you just go to then page number, format page numbers, start at 1. Okay, that's all. Here table of contents is actually in section 2 if you see, so that is why it is showing again change in numbering format. Again if you want to do that, then go to page number, format page number, continue from the previous section, but the number format you should just select this Roman letter format, then okay. So you can see previously up to up to notation page number is 7. Now from the table of contents 8. Even it is in section 2, the page number started from Roman letter 8, and after that chapters are starting from normal numbering 1 2 3. And once you do this, immediately the page numbers are not updated automatically in the table of contents. In order to update these page numbers, you have to right click on this table of contents and then update fields. Here the two things will come. You can either update page numbers only or update entire table. I'm just selecting this update entire table. Okay, yeah, you can see now the acknowledgement, abstract up to table of contents, everything is in Roman letters, and after that chapters are starting from normal numbering 1 up to end. that's all. Next we will insert some figures in the document, and we will try to fetch these figures and a list of figures and list of tables automatically. So for that, in chapter 1 I will include some page name, from some figures. I have some figures. I try to include one figure here. In caption I will give it later, and we'll keep it in center line. Just pasting the same image every time, but you may insert your own images at respective places in the document. Chapter 2 also I insert nearly 4 to 5 figures, and we will see. In chapter 3 we will insert again 3 to 4 figures. In chapter 4 again we will insert some figures. And we will insert some tables. Again from chapter 1 we will insert 1 or 2 tables some places. That is sufficient, and we will add captures for that. Okay, next in order to add captures, either you can insert caption from here. Just select the image and right click it, and you can see insert caption. Otherwise you can also do so. Below this figure, just place your cursor and then go to references. Here insert caption option will be there. Here you can choose what can be the format for inserting figure. So either you can create your own figure style, new label. So I'm just creating some figure label. Either you can choose default figures, default labels, or else you can create your own label. I have already created this label, capital fig dot. 1.1. One corresponds to chapter and the next one corresponds to figure number. And in order to do that, what you have to do, just numbering, go to click on this numbering, and here include chapter number will be there. You just click on that, and after that how the formatting of the number format should be, like after chapter number, whether a period should be there or a hyphen should be there, colon, whatever should be there, you can select that one. So in this case I selected period and then okay. So that is why figure 1.1, first number corresponds to chapter and next number corresponds to figure number. Now I'm giving some title. Insert caption, select figure, and better I can suggest you to just press tab first. No, control tab, control and tab together, and then write your caption of the figure. Particle distribution and capture is there, caption I kept, and just click on OK and just make it a center aligned. And next here also you can just place insert caption. See the figure number is now changed automatically. Chapter number is same, but figure number previously we have already inserted one. So in this case we will insert one more time. Just control plus tab and then place your caption. Click on OK. Center aligned. And similarly for this insert caption, figure 1.3k. Rather pressing here, I told you just control tab. It will be helpful during formatting of our figures, list of figures. Control caption, control tab, particle distribution, some caption I gave, center aligned. In here also like that I am giving. Next in the chapter, if you try to give the caption, see the figure 2.1 now, because chapter has changed, that is why the chapter number is included and the corresponding number figure number is in that particular chapter is started from again from 1. So again control tab, distribution 6, okay, 1. Insert caption, figure 2.2, control tab, again in the chapter 3 the numbering has started from 3 and the figure number is one first figure, so 3.1. Control tab, again in 4th chapter if you see the figure number started like a chapter 4 in the corresponding first figure is 4.1. That's all, no figures are there. And next we will do the same thing for tables also. So in general, tables will come at the top of every table. So in order to create the table caption, you just need to select either table caption, and same thing, numbering. Here chapter number should be highlighted, and chapter number followed by the period, and then table number. Again same thing here. After that press Ctrl tab and give some table name, table caption. Click OK, then center line it, and similarly here Control tab. Again, if you see in chapter 2, while we are giving a table caption, automatically the chapter number is started as a first number, and then corresponding table number in that particular chapter, and then caption you can give. So that's all. As of till now, what we did, we have inserted some figures and we gave some labels for it. How to do that? You just go to references and insert caption. You can create your own label style, and if you include that page numbers, chapter number, you can get the format like table 4.14 corresponds to chapter number and 1 corresponds to table number in that particular chapter. So now in order to insert table of figures, list of figures and list of tables, we have already created one page for that in the beginning. So go there and just in the home button you turn this paragraph markers on, and then press one enter tab, then references, click on this inside table of figures. So here you will get from template everything. You will get show page numbers, title and page numbers, table leader. Just select this thing. From template and caption label, you just select whatever the label you created in the document. We have created for figures fig dot, so that is why I'm selecting this, and include label and number. And in these options no need to change anything, and in modify, here one thing you have to see, the style associated with this list of figures is table of figures. You just note it down, and As of now, just click OK and then click OK. So you will find this kind of thing. Yeah, table of figures, you can get like this. In order to change this, you can just drag this little to whatever the distance, if you want 2.5 or 2 centimeters or like that. Otherwise, what you can do, just go to home. You have to search for table of figures style. If it is not there, no issue, just click on this right corner button, and here in this you can find table of figures. Just click on modify and then add to the style gallery, automatically update, format. Here tabs will be there. You just select, you just create some 2.5. From 2.5 the particle cap from 2.5 centimeter onwards the caption should come, so that is why I'm clicking 2.5 centimeter from the left. Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can see now from 2.5 exactly, from 2.5 centimeters the figure caption has started. And also, for example, just click control and click on this one, and for example, if the caption title is somewhat very large, and now again we will go to list of figures, and if you right click on this and update field, update entire table, you will find this thing. See, in the figure caption, if the figure caption is very lengthy, then in that case again it starts from here. So in order to start the next line also from the starting of first line, so in order to do that, what you have to do, just to go to just modify the style, modify your format, paragraph, and here special will be there, hanging. It should start from 2.5 centimeters. Just click it and then okay. So now you can see. And also sometimes what is happening, for example, if page number here, it is page numbers and this data, the caption is overlapping. So just make sure this caption should not overlap this thing, and you should end up to here only, for example 13 centimeters, around like that. So for that what you have to do, just go to modify, format, paragraph, and your indentation will be there, and it should start from where, from 13 centimeters from the right. That means from the right it should be like, just keep 2 centimeters. Okay. Okay, see now up to 2 centimeters, actually 14.5 centimeters of end size of this page. So before that 2 centimeters up to here it will stop. For example, if I give the title for this figure, title is somewhat higher lengthy. Just go to list of tables. So again, just right click, update field, entire table. Now for figure 1.3 also you can see it has started exactly at this location. I mean started at this location and ended at this location, and page numbers are again as it is, they are up to end of the page. So this is how you can do. And similarly, in order to insert the list of figures, same process we will follow. Right click it, not right click, you go to references again, insert table of figures, but this time you select caption label as table. Okay, because the style for list of figures and list of tables it is same, so this time no need to change everything like yeah, this initial starting position. Previously in the list of figures we kept 2.5 centimeters, so that is already stored, no need to change it again. And for example, if the title of this table 1 is very lengthy, now we will see whether we need to adjust the right indentation or not, because it is not required because the style is already saved. Now we will go to list of tables, again we will update one more time. No need to see, you can see it started from started at 2.5 centimeters and ended at 12.5. And if you want to change this format like table, it is not in the proper format, like if you want to change the font size and all, you can do, just click on 12, not italic, it is not bold also, it should be this thing. And you have to change the caption, you have to modify the caption to update the caption to match selection here. See, once you do that, everything will change automatically. See here, figure caption as well as table captions are changed automatically. But for IITM, this thing, something is called figure label also, I mean figure caption also. Next line should start exactly from where the first line has started. In order to do that, again, it comes under caption. So right click on caption, modify, update or auto update. Click on paragraph, and here hanging is there, and where it should start from 3 centimeters. Okay, okay, no, 3 centimeters, it should start from 2 centimeters. I guess it is 3 only. Okay, okay, yeah, now it is fine. And I just update this thing to match caption style. So once you do that, everything is aligned. Yeah, this is how it should look like. And table also accordingly it will change. See here. So this is how we can do this, updating list of table figure numbers and page numbers and captions for that particular figures as well as tables. That's all. Remaining things no need to bother, because acknowledgement, abstract, everything we will write data only. But only thing we are concerned about is list of, I mean table of contents, list of figures and list of tables. They have to update automatically. And once your thesis or report has finalized, like no need to change any figures and tables. So you can modify here, like for example in IITM this thing, IITM standard, there is no need to show this table label. So what you have to do, you just press Ctrl plus H and click on type table and replace with nothing. Just replace from here, just click on replace. Only table of contents and no table, list of tables. And similarly in figure also, figure caption, fig dot should not be there in list of figures. So for that what you have to do, type fig dot and replace with nothing. You should start from here, replace. So this is how you can remove figure labels from here. Now I suggest you not to, once you do this, once you click on this update field, do not press and update entire table, because if you press update entire table, again fig dot will come before this numbering. So that is why, in case just to update the numbers, you just click on this one only. That's all. And you can insert something called figure, next title, next page number. Just make sure it is right aligned, and here it is center aligned and it is left aligned. Just remove the borders. So that's how it looks like. Figure title page, and correspondingly figure number comes here, title comes here, and page number will come here. And a similar thing you can copy and paste it below the list of tables. Instead of figure, it will come table. Table title page number. And that's all. Whatever the number of tables there in your document, they will update automatically here, because as of now we included very few tables as well as few figures. So this way what you can do, you no need to keep any manual tables and writing manually everything like that. So it is very simple process. In this you can update list of figures and list of tables easily. And thank you all.